What is up, Frankie fam? Today we have an unboxing video, but it's not mine. It's this bad boy right here. Okay, move. Just move. Okay, it's open right there, so open it. I got the scissors. Oh my god, is this fake? Just take the thing out. Just take the thing out, guys. Be careful with it. Okay, now we gotta open it back up. There we go. Now he's gonna open the plastic. Don't forget to. Did you just rip it? Oh, here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you can see when we upload
make new videos.
Yeah, make new videos. When we upload new videos. Go check out my Roblox videos I made yesterday. Yeah. So, what did you get, huh? You want me to help you hold it?
Whoa.
Hold it from there.
Mom, Mommy,
Oh, no X-Men! Not only the X-Men, we got. Let's show them. Okay, I think we got Jean Grey, Beast, Iceman, Cyclops, Giant Man, Hawkeye, Angel, Wasp, and Black Bolt, I think that is, or that Bolt. Yeah, so, yeah. Our aunt sent us this. Shout out to you, Mom Chio. And so, yeah. That'll be it for today. But who is this? I think that's... I don't know who that is. I think that's probably Black Bolt. Oh, wait, no, that's Black Panther. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed that small but awesome video. So, see you later, Frankie fam.
See you later, Frankie fam.
Thanks to Mama Chio. Yeah, shout out to Mama Chio, our aunt, and stay safe out there.